Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. If you work in healthcare, this video is a wake-up call. These health jobs will be replaced by AI soon. It's not a prediction. These health jobs will be replaced by AI soon, and it's already happening. Most people don't see it coming, but it will happen faster than expected. Stay until the end, because you'll learn which health jobs AI is replacing first, and what to do now if your job is at risk. Artificial intelligence has rapidly improved in these key areas. Pattern recognition. AI now reads X-rays, MRIs, radiologist, CT scans. Pathology slides often faster and more consistently than humans. Data processing AI handles. Medical documentation, medical coding and billing, insurance reporting, patient records. These tasks are repetitive, and repetition is where AI excels. Automated communication AI can now answer basic health questions, perform symptom triage, provide general health guidance. Because of this, these health jobs will be replaced by AI soon, especially roles that are screen-based, protocol-driven, non-physical, low human interaction. Let's be very clear. High-risk health roles include radiology image reviewers, medical data entry specialists, medical coders, basic nutrition planners, entry-level health advisors, non-clinical telesupport roles. This does not mean healthcare workers are failing. It means the system is evolving. Keep watching, because the next part is the most important. Here's the honest truth. If your health job is fully data-based, repetitive, non-physical, easily standardized, then yes, these health jobs will be replaced by AI soon. That means you should start looking for a new role now. Future-safe health careers focus on hands-on care, human connection, emotional intelligence, supervision and judgment, physical presence. AI supports healthcare, but it cannot replace human trust. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your health and your future both matter.